guys, so tomorrow is the big day and I'm getting the puppy. I'm so excited, but I have to get some rest. I have swim practice tomorrow and some pictures, so I'll see you guys tomorrow on my way to do the pictures and do swim practice. I'm so excited, and the puppy's gonna be here tomorrow, so yay! Okay guys, it's time to go, and I got Biscuit here, and she is going to have a sister very, very, very soon. Come on, Biscuit, you gotta have a sister. And then we're gonna go get, and we're gonna introduce her to the sister later. We're on our way back home, and just came back from swimming. Let's go.
Big Daddy.
Do you say hi to the vlog, Noah?
That boy sus. Hit the plug, that's a bus. I don't trust. Oh, okay.
Bella and Felicia reunion, or not reunion,
Meeting for the first time.
meeting ceremony.
What do you think?
I'm
something different?
shaking right now.
You smell something a little different? What is it? Wow.
She's scared. She's trying to get away.
Hi, baby girl. Hi, baby.
She's scared. She's trying to get away. Good job, girl. When can we take her off the leash?
It's your new sister. What are we talking about, girl? You got a new sister.
You're touching my toys.
Somebody's gonna eat my toys.
She don't care. She's sniffing.
Come here, girl.
Can she go home? What do you think, Biscuit? What do y'all think?
What are you doing?
your sister, dude.
What do you think?
Good girl, come here. Come here, girl. Come here. Come here.
She's kind of like shy, but
Yeah, that's cute.
she just.
That's your sister.
She just don't know what to think.
It's all right. Be regular, tell her she's all right.
Okay, guys, so I hope you enjoyed the video. And Bella is such a cute dog, but Felicia doesn't really care for her. Felicia doesn't really care for Bella. She just doesn't like want her, I guess. But I think they'll get along when Bella gets a little bit bigger. Okay, bye vlog.